DIY furniture using easy-to-find materials. Welcome to our DIY furniture tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to create beautiful and functional pieces of furniture using materials that you can easily find at your local hardware store or even in your own home. Not only will this save you money, but it will also give you a sense of satisfaction and pride in your craftsmanship. First up, we have a simple and stylish coffee table made from wooden pallets. Pallets are versatile and can be transformed into a variety of furniture pieces. With some sanding, staining, and assembling, you can create a rustic and charming addition to your living room. Next, we will show you how to make a bookshelf out of cinder blocks and planks of wood. This is a great option for those who want to add storage space without breaking the bank. You can customize the size and height of the bookshelf to fit your needs, and even paint or decorate the cinder blocks for a unique look. If you're in need of a new desk, we've got you covered. Our desk is made from an old door and sawhorses. This is a perfect example of upcycling and repurposing materials to create something new and functional. You can also add a coat of paint or a glass top for a sleek and modern finish. Last but not least, we will show you how to make a stylish and comfortable bench using concrete blocks and cushions. This is a great option for an outdoor seating area or a mudroom. With some colorful cushions and pillows, you can create a cozy and inviting spot for relaxing. So, there you have it. With just a few simple materials and some creativity, you can create your own DIY furniture that is both beautiful and functional. We hope you enjoy making these projects as much as we did.